Okay, so while we the next on the line is to talk about while loop. So from the while loop, I think I've talked about environment variables, which is the same thing as parameters or so. I don't know, this is actually the outline I created for Bash. You can see it as starts with Bash, so that's why things are mixing up here. I don't even bother to create another outline for C++ specifically. So read from base to the apple while loop. So let's just go ahead and do while loop. So the syntax are always mostly the same in all kind of programming language. So we can say why, then the syntax is condition. So why condition like that, then we want to execute a code. So what we can do is that we can say why or why. Okay, this is what I'm just going to do right now. I'm going to create an integer right here. I'm going to create an integer I right here, which is equals to 0. Then I'm going to say why I is actually lesser than 5. Then I want to see out the I itself. So I want to see out the value of I, and then also line. Then I want to do I plus plus. So sorry, I should be incremental. So just run this program and see what we've got. You can see we have the value of I print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stuff like that. And that is because as long as this condition is met, we continue to execute the code within this. So what I do is that, okay, when I is 0 and, 0 is lesser than 5, which is true, it's going to print this out. Then I plus plus means that increment the value of I by whatsoever value it was, increment it by 1, then it's going to go like by 1, and then go back to this loop again. Is the condition also true? Yeah, if it's true, continue like that until it reaches a stage whereby the condition is no longer true. So when I is equals to 4, the condition is still true, and when I is actually equals to 5, the condition is no longer true. So or else I had is lesser than or equals to, so that we should have some little difference of up to 5 like that. So because while I is also equals to 5, the condition is true. Alright, so that was all about while loop. See you in the next tutorial, please.